Today we're going to take a look at the Challenger K2 by Intex. This is a great little kayak to have. It does fit 2 people, but what's nice is that it folds up into a manageable size so you can take it camping or throw it in your trunk and just get out and go. The Challenger K2 comes with 2 inflatable seats, as you can see here. They are both the same seat. They have a high backrest. They also have these straps that attach to inside the boat that allow you to adjust how far it can lean back or lean forward. The seats attach to the bottom of the kayak with Velcro so they won't slide around on you. The bottom of this kayak is designed to move quickly and smoothly through the water. It also comes with this removable skeg which slides in right here. This will allow you to have greater control and balance of your kayak going over smooth water and is a great feature to have. The Challenger K2 comes with a high output air pump. It's called the Double Quick 2. This means that when it's pulling in and out, it's still putting air into your boat, so it fills up twice as quickly. It's made of a very tough and durable vinyl material, and there are 2 separate chambers for you to inflate, one here on the bottom and one here on the top. This kayak will float easily even if one of these deflates so that you can still get to shore safely. The Challenger K2 kayak comes with 2 great 84-inch aluminum paddles. They are double-ended and they have comfortable hand grips, so moving smoothly through the water is not a problem. Because this is a 2-seater kayak, they needed to design it so that there would be room for both people, so they made the edges of this boat hollow so that you could slide your legs in. My legs right now are sitting on either side of this seat. In the front you have plenty of space in the front of the boat for you to put your feet. The Challenger K2 does have some storage space on it. As you can see here, there's a storage net in the front where you can stick some things. There's also room up by the feet in the front so you can stick some items. Also, if you have smaller items, you can put them in the back behind this back seat. The Challenger series comes with a smaller version of the K2 called the K1. It has all the same features as the K2, but it's for 1 person and is smaller and more compact. I've got both kayaks here stood up on end so that you can see how big they really are. Both of these kayaks are just under 3 feet wide. The smaller one, the K1, is 9 feet long, and the K2 over here is 11.5 feet long. As you've seen for yourself, the Challenger K2 by Intex is a great kayak. There's a lot of great features on it.